Hi, I'm Dr. Mel Ibrahim. Welcome to City Skin Clinic's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the bespoke skin treatments that we offer at City Skin Clinic and answer some of the most frequently asked questions that you get. Bespoke skin treatments, what are they? So these are treatments that are entirely targeted to your skin type, your skin needs, concerns and goals. And these are typically professional treatments, so we kind of coined that phrase because we thought that everyone's skin is different, everyone's concerns and targets are different, and we really think the best way to treat your skin and get the best out of your skin is by having an approach that's entirely personalised to your skincare, to your skin. So hence the bespoke skin treatments. So what do we offer at City Skin Clinic? Well, we offer a range of chemical peels to start off with. So chemical peels are acids and enzymes that the name sounds scary, but actually they're kind of really long existing treatments that are aimed at resurfacing the skin. So what they do is they loosen the connections between dead cells and take away those kind of dead, old layers of skin and kind of show beneath them new, fresh skin. So they're kind of not so much peeling, but think of it as sloughing away. So with what chemical peels can do, depending on the depth and type of peel, is actually treat things like scarring, and in particular acne scarring, smooth away fine lines and wrinkles. They can even out skin tone, and you can also use some skins to kind of target pigmentation disorders like rosacea, or you can target areas of hyperpigmentation like sunspots and things caused by sun damage. Or if you have any bits of discoloration and you just want to kind of fade them out, or they can also be used to target problems like excess oil or even acne itself. So there's a wide variety of peels, and also the depth of peel helps you with the kind of thing that you're trying to achieve. So if you're looking for problems like acne scarring, really kind of rough texture, uneven texture, kind of sun damage, lines and wrinkles, then you're looking to eventually kind of go for a course of peels, probably on the medium depth side of things, and that will target these problems. If you're looking to just refresh your skin, or you have an important event or something that you just want to look your best at, and you just want to optimize your skin a little bit without any downtime, then superficial peels are great. So what they'll do is they'll kind of exfoliate the skin, smooth it, brighten it, but with very little kind of redness or downtime. So with superficial peels, you can have one, and then if you have an important event the next day, that's not a problem. With medium depth peels, you actually may get a lot of redness to begin with. It's still fine to go with the peels we offer. It's still fine to go back to the office, go back to work, go around your daily, day-to-day kind of routine. But after that, you'll experience things like skin shedding. You might have a little bit of uneven pigmentation or patches that are a bit more involved than others, and that takes a couple of weeks for it to completely settle and for you to see the full result. So as with everything, it depends on you, what you need and what you're aiming for, and that's why it has to be bespoke. So that's kind of our chemical peels range, and I've got some links to our pages and blog posts that explain peels and that sort of thing in more detail. The next kind of treatment that we offer is the advanced clinical facial. And so what that does is it's a completely bespoke facial, and it combines a superficial resurfacing peel as well as putting together peptides and serums that specifically target your skin concerns. So let's say you've got something really important to go to, an important event, a dinner, an occasion, and you really want to do something special for your skin, then an advanced clinical facial is a great idea. So it will resurface with the peel and kind of targets things like excess oil or blemishes or spots and so on, but also put in some serums and some skin-specific ingredients to what your kind of skincare goal is and your concern, and then really boost your skin for that occasion. And then to kind of finalise, we've got our collagen induction therapy, and what that starts off with is a super superficial kind of resurfacing peel, and that just preps that skin for you. And with the collagen induction therapy, we use microneedling, which creates these micro channels in the skin that you can't really see. And what this does is it stimulates collagen to grow underneath. And collagen is what causes the skin to be plump, it's what causes it to be firm, it's what kind of fills out wrinkles. And so if your problem is that skin has become thin, or it's quite rough in texture, it's not pliable anymore, or you've got some quite deep scars, in particular acne scarring, then collagen induction therapy is great. What it will do is smooth out the skin and thicken it with collagen being produced from underneath. Again, if you've got specific problems, then you will probably need a course of this, and be aware with collagen induction therapy, it'll actually take you about 6 to 8 weeks to see the result of each one. So if you're going to have them done, you need to have them done about 6 weeks apart for a course, and just be patient to really see full effect, because collagen is a protein that takes time to create. So you induce it during the treatment, but immediately you'll see a result, but that's mostly because you've stimulated blood flow to that area, and because we've also, with the collagen induction therapy, we do the resurfacing peel, which brightens and smooths the skin. The microneedling will create a little bit of vascularization, and that will help with the blood flow to make the skin look brighten and glow a little bit more, but you won't see the effect of the collagen induction then. And also with the collagen induction therapy, we combine that with micronesotherapy and add specific peptides and growth factors and nutrients into the skin to help stimulate it and also target specific problems. So if your problem is, for example, dullness or wrinkles or pigmentation problems, then we'll add these skincare boosting ingredients to kind of to reinforce our treatment. So again, all of these treatments, this is just a very kind of whiz through talk about them, but the important thing to bear in mind is they're all based and tailored around your skin type, and really what we do for each of them, the type of peel that we use, and with peels we tend to do a combination of peels. So, you know, if your problem is, for example, acne and acne scarring, then we'll tailor that so that there's a peel that targets the acne and a peel that also will target the scarring. So even with your face, you might not have the same thing done for the whole of the face, because to get the best result, we have to use the right treatment for it. So this is kind of, I'm going to stop there with the bespoke skin treatments guide. Please don't forget to leave comments below about what you think. If you have any questions that I haven't answered, check the links below as well to the pages that we have about these treatments and the blog posts that we've written. And if you have any questions, let me know. So until next time.